So here we go. Here's the motherboard. First thing I'm gonna have you do, Jacob, is install your SSD. Okay? So for SSD, remove these two screws right here.
Okay, with this?
Yep. Just like that, lefty loosey. Perfect. That's good. Undo this one. It doesn't come off all the way. Man, this is a nice motherboard. Okay, now this comes right off.
Is that one?
Mm-hmm.
Now?
Now, this
Right there.
piece of gum, you see that little notch?
Yeah.
It goes in right there. Push it down. And you see this thing? It sits flat like that, okay? So, yeah, I'm gonna let you do it.
So,
Go ahead and install it.
we do this.
All the way in. Perfect.
Then
Push down.
we push down. We turn that like that.
Yeah. No. Turn. Yes, there you go. Just like that. Perfect. Now, put this cover. We already peeled the tape. And
Put it back on.
put it back on. Right there.
Now we screw it.
Yep. Very nice. Now go this side. You don't have to go too tight. Okay. All right. Next thing we're gonna do is install your CPU. Now, for your CPU, you see this lever? We're gonna push down and unhook it, and then this is gonna pop open. Okay. Here's your CPU, 12700K. So go ahead, open it. Be gentle with the box. Yeah. What I usually do is, if I don't have a knife handy, break the tape.
Like this one?
Like that one. Yeah, but I already got it open. Here it is. A little tricky to get up, but it comes off.
Mm-hmm.
You see this little arrow?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, that arrow, you're gonna find that it's right here, right? You gotta be careful with those pins on the motherboard.
Wait, what pins?
You see those tiny pins?
Yeah.
Don't touch those, okay?
Yeah.
You don't want to touch them because they can easily be bent. So when you put this, you put it in gently and it falls right into place, okay? Now, to close this, just bring this down and hook it right here, okay? So to hook it, you start pulling the lever right there. Now, what you want to do is you want to push this lever all the way down and hook it on this hook.
So what hook?
This hook, like this, look.
Here?
Here, like this.
Ah.
See that? Yeah, I'm gonna let you do it so you can get a feel for it. Don't let it go, and because it'll spring out. Hard, right? There. Now your CPU is secured. Okay. Now, I usually like to just put this right back in here. Put the CPU back in the box. Save it in case we have any problems or we sell it in the future. We have the original box. Okay? You install it now. Your memory modules. Your memory modules go right here.
So
And
does that mean I'll lose all the memory on my...
yes, your games are stored in your storage drive, your hard drive, your SSD. This is your storage right here. Okay?
Does
Your
that mean like I lost everything?
this kind of yeah. Yes and no. Because you still have your account, you still have access to your games, you still have your V-Bucks, everything. You just have to log into a new account. Okay?
Oh, I have to log back in?
Yeah, you have to log back in. Okay? these, Jacob, are your memory modules.
So it allowed it to have more memory on
Yeah,
it?
so these here, they're gonna go in the gray slots. So A2 and B2. Okay? You see this notch in this you see this notch here near the center? You see how it's not exactly in the center, how it's slightly below? You gotta align it with the notch here. Okay?
So I have a question. Why does it have to be like these two labels?
That's the recommendation of the manufacturer. So if you read the owner's manual, it says that if you're only going to use two DIMMs, two memory sticks, to put them on A2 and B2, and you can see right here, you see that DIMM A1, DIMM A2, B1, and B2. Right here, look.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So this one will be A1, A2, and this one will be B2. So what I do is align that notch where it comes down, install the bottom side first, and this side, so it clicks, and then the top side so it clicks. You see that? Want to try it?
Yeah.
To remove it, push up on this locking tab, like that,
I guess it'll be hard.
and then remove one side first, and then the other. Okay? There, just like that. So go ahead, try it. Okay, do this side first. Okay, press it down all the way. Wait. You see how it's crooked? It's not gonna go in crooked. You gotta line it so it touches first. Okay, like this. Once the pins make contact, then you press gently on this side first. Go ahead. Press till it clicks. So, click. Click. Okay. Yes. Try this one. This one. On the gray one. And this is a 32 gigabyte kit. Running at 3200 megahertz. See? Yep. So it hasn't clicked. Make sure this side clicks. Click. There you go. Down. See? There. If these aren't properly seated, you're gonna get all kinds of errors later on. So now they're properly seated, okay? Next thing, once your memory's installed, your CPU's installed, your hard drive's installed, the only thing we can do now is install the CPU cooler to keep this cooler. This gets really hot. So,
Where is it?
it's that box.
Big box?
Yeah. I've never installed one of those, so we're gonna have to read the instructions, okay?
This
Good.
can help so much when I'm playing games. It's always like 1 frame per second. This can help so much.
Yep. Awesome. Thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks for watching.